जय श्रीमन्नारायण. Kishkindhakanda. It went and shooted the chest part of Vali. The same moment, Vali gone unconscious and fell on the floor. The great man Rama, when he shooted his arrow, that is released just like as and how fire is coming from the mouth of Shiva. Then it went and hit Indraputra Vali. Vali fell on the floor. As and how if a huge tree is unrooted, that is how Vali fell on the floor. With all of his beautiful garments and ornaments, Vali fell on the floor. But even after Vali fell on the floor, na Srihi Jahati na Prana na Tejo na Parakramaha. Vali's glow did not go down. Vali's light did not go down. Vali's valor did not go down. Vali's life also did not go, because there are so many ornaments which are given by Devendra. Because of that, with the power of that, Vali is still looking same. Because of Ramabanam, Avahat Paramam Gatim. Because that arrow belongs to Rama, that arrow is now blessing Vali with the divine abode. Vali is now came into conscious and Bahumanya. He is respecting and praising the one who shooted an arrow to him. Vali is praising Sri Ramachandra Swami. And with all that pain that he is going through, Vali Vikshamanam Senairiva, slowly opening his eyes and looking at Rama. Rama also, along with Lakshmana, went close to Vali and looking at Vali. Now, Vali is clearly seeing Rama and Lakshmana. Then Vali started saying few words. Some of them are real praisings and some of them are sarcastic. Now saying that, Vali is saying to Rama, Tvam Naradhipate Putraha. O Rama, you are the son of great king, emperor. Tvam Pradhita Priyadarsanaha. O Rama, you are so great and famous. Not only that, you obey rules, regulations given by Shastram. Tvam Kulinaha, you belong to such a great dignified dynasty. Tvam Tejasvi, you have so much divine glow. Tvam Charitavrataha, you have such a great character. You are following your father's words. Like that, you have such a great character. Like this, Vali praised Rama, and now Vali is about to say a few words to Rama sarcastically. Vali now sarcastically saying to Sri Ramachandra Swami, O Rama, while I was fighting with Sugriva, you shooted an arrow to my chest. With that, you have proved your greatness. While meditating upon Sri Sita Ramachandra Swami, let us sing the glory of Sri Sita Ramachandra Swami. Rama Rama Dasaratha Rama, Rama Rama Dasaratha Rama, He He Raja Rama, He He Raja Rama, He He Sita Rama, He He Sita Rama. Jai Srimannarayana. A special request to all devotees. in all things in our life, we want immediate and effective results. To achieve this, let us spend 1 minute daily and read Narayanastram. In order to obtain Narayanastram, go to Narayanastram website, which is www.narayanastram.org, and provide your name and email in the registration. You will receive a Narayanastram PDF to the email you provided. In the PDF, there is a Ramayana sloka, a Gita sloka, and a Vishnu Namam. The three of these put together is called Narayanastram. Everyone receives a different combination of these slokas. When everyone reads to their Narayanastram daily, along with 24,000 devotees, one round of Sampurna Ramayana Parayana, 33 rounds of Srimad Bhagavad Gita Parayana, 24 rounds of Sri Vishnu Sahasranama Stotra Parayana is completed every day. This is such a remarkable and extraordinary outcome that comes out of doing this every single day. That's why you and your family members immediately go and obtain your Narayanastram. Jai Sriman Narayana. As an essence of entire Bhagavad Gita in 18th chapter from 65th to 69th sloka, Sri Krishna Paramatma strongly recommending all of us to do 8 things. Krishna Paramatma saying that if we do those 8 things, we will become His most beloved devotees, and then He will liberate all of us from all kind of sins. That is why every day let us respond back to Sri Krishna Paramatma like this. O Sriman Narayana, as you said, I shall keep on thinking about you. O Sriman Narayana, as you said, I shall become your devotee. O Sriman Narayana, as you said, I shall keep on performing all my activities as your service. O Sriman Narayana, as you said, I shall keep on remembering the fact that I am your belonging, and I shall keep doing namaskaram to you. O Sriman Narayana, as you said, I shall surrender to you alone unconditionally. O Sriman Narayana, as you said, I shall not grieve anymore. O Sriman Narayana, as you said, I shall keep on remembering your teachings every day by reading at least one Gita sloka. O Sriman Narayana, as you said, I shall keep on spreading Srimad Bhagavad Gita among all the devotees. O Sriman Narayana, I shall do as you say. I shall behave as you like. I shall keep on working for you. Karishye vachanam tava. Sarvam Shri Krishnarpanamastu. Jai Sriman Narayana.